Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today we are making a Mediterranean-style cashew cucumber dip, also known as Tzatziki dip. Yes, that creamy, delicious dip that you get in Greek restaurants, we're making it tonight. So as always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. As I mentioned, this is a cucumber dip, so you need a pound of English cucumbers, or the seedless kind. We're gonna peel this and then grate it. Little known fact, seedless cucumbers aren't actually seedless. They're just a lot smaller than a normal cucumber. Get your shredder. And I do have to thank Mel and Brian for getting me this lovely shredder. I mean, it's actually a shredder. Alright, so what we're gonna do is either with a cheesecloth or some heavy-duty paper towels, we're gonna put this cucumber in it and squeeze as much of the water out as we can. Now we're gonna save the water, so don't throw it out. Alright, we need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And you're gonna need your food processor. In that, we're gonna combine our cashews, lemon juice, half the grated cucumber, garlic, olive oil, oregano, salt, and pepper. And blend. So you want to keep scraping down and you want a nice, rich consistency. So now we're gonna add 1 to 3 tablespoons of our reserved cucumber water to get it to that point. All right, this is the beautiful consistency that you want, nice and creamy, and you want it to be a not too thick hummus consistency is what they said in the book. All right, now that we have our beautiful creamy dip, we're not done yet. We're gonna throw in the rest of our cucumber, and we can throw in an optional chopped dill, which I'm gonna do. 1 tablespoon. And then you want to cover it and chill it until it's ready to use, which is right now for me, so I'm not going to do that. Let's try it. Now, if you're just going to eat this as an appetizer, then you can throw a little olive oil on there, put some Kalamata olives in there, and then just grab some pita. It's a lovely, refreshing cucumber dip. I like cucumbers, so I like this a lot. If you don't like cucumbers, you won't like it. First thought is, I might have put a little bit too much cucumber in there, because the grated cucumber that I put in there at the end, it's fairly chunky, and I feel like most tzatziki sauce is more creamy. I could eat this by itself. And I do believe the more that it's, sitting together and chilling, the flavors are all gonna come out. So it's probably best if you put this in the fridge for a couple hours. I think this is a delicious dip, and it's gonna go perfect with something we're making next, so stick around. I hope you liked what you saw today. If you think this looks delicious too, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. Make sure to share and comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Could you crunch any louder? Can you hear that?